With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So today our question is, two distinct integers x and y are chosen without replacement at random from the set x comma y, where x belongs ranges from 0 to 10, y ranges from 0 to 10. X and y are integers. The probability that mod of x minus y less than equals to 5 is, and 4 options are given. So let's start with the solution. So we are given x, which can range from 0, 1, 2 up to 10, which means the total values of x is, x can take are 11. Similarly, y can also take 0, 1, 2 up to 10. So total number of values y can take is 11. Okay, now therefore the total outcomes will be equals to 11 into 11, which is equals to 121. Okay, now we have to find the probability of mod of x minus y less than equals to 5. So which can also be written as, which is also equal to 1 minus probability of mod of x minus y greater than 5. Okay, so possible outcomes for mod of x minus y greater than 5 is equals to, now possible outcomes will be 0, 6, that is when x is 0, y is 6, when 0, 7, x is 0, y is 7, then 0, 8, then 0, 9, okay, then 0, 10, then again 1, 7, then 1, 8, then like this we will get the other outcomes. Okay, so from here we can see that the total combinations also, in this we will also get the reverse of this numbers, that is 6, 0, 7, 0. Okay, so from this the total number of combinations which are possible are 5 when 0 is x. Okay, 4 total combination when for x is equals to 1, then 3 for x is equals to 2, then 2 for x is equals to 3, then 1 for x is equals to 4. Okay, and if we reverse this, then we will get again 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So we can just multiply it by 2. Okay, so this we get 15 into 2, which is equals to 30. So probability of mod of x minus y greater than 5 is equals to 30 divided by 121. So we need to find the probability of mod of x minus y less than equals to 5, which is equals to 1 minus 30 by 121, which is equals to 121 minus 30 divided by 121, which is equals to 91 by 121. And this is our required answer, which means option number C is the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.